Hey, today we're in for a doozy because I'm only going to stop this recording once I fix this bug. Right now I'm running an Expo project with React Native. And I'm trying to create like a cross-platform learning app. And right now the user auth is absolutely failing me. And I'm using Firebase for that. And there's a whole bunch of stuff I need to fix probably. And I'm only going to end this video once I do that. So this video could be 3 minutes, it could also be an hour. So I'm going to run the Android emulator, which is like where stuff has been problematic so far. So let me pull that up. This might take a bit. I think this is the right emulator. And like, by the way, I'm not going to be editing this video very thoroughly. It's just going to be my entire struggle and my entire process on like using Google to fix my problems. Okay, so yeah, we have a big red screen, and most of the times when we have a big red screen, it's not a good thing. And we're getting the error in the terminal. Oh, I can't zoom in like this. Shoot. Ugh. But what it says is unable to resolve Firebase from component/navbar. But this big red message. Can I try to expand this to make you guys see it? Oh god, I'm failing. But what it says is that while trying to resolve module Firebase, the package itself was successfully found, but a main module field that cannot be resolved. Instead of none of these exist. And there's a bunch of random stuff in between of like the file paths that I'm not going to say. Except yeah, so far this is a big pain. Like I can try my web version, maybe that version will work, because I'm not sure if it's like a web problem or an Android problem or a problem. So we'll see in a sec. So I already see a big error. So let's pull it up here. Maybe that'll be better. Do this. Because maybe earlier I did like npmi install. npmi Firebase. It just did the default version and that didn't work very well. Wait, did I pause the stream at some point? Wait, I gotta double check something. Wait, this is actually quite important. I don't want to lose this entire stream. Okay, those were just my hotkeys acting up. I set one for my foot pedal to work, except I forgot I turned that on and the enter key was it, so I was accidentally stopping my streams, but I can put that all together. But without further ado, we need to test to see if this actually works. So we're gonna do npx expo start. And then I remember there's like a way to like clear the cache that might be important. So I'm gonna look that up right now. Let's pull that up. We're gonna say npx expo start clear cache. So it's telling me to do other stuff like npm cache clean, which I might have to do later, but we're just gonna do the -- clear tag and hopefully that's enough. If so, that'd be a pretty short video. I wish that's how programming works, but it's like probably not going to be that way. I need to think of stuff to talk to about while this stuff is working. Those were a lot of logs I saw. Oh, it's also the QR code. And then we're gonna do web. So let's pull that up in a sec. It should be available on localhost soon. Like, why did I close that page? It's kind of important. We're gonna keep that up. Also, the reason why I'm on incognito is just so I don't accidentally leak my personal information, because that'd be pretty stupid. But I don't think any of you guys actually care enough to want to search through that all. But let's look through my build logs, because this is not working so far. Or it's just building. Oh my god, looks like some stuff is not working at all. I think it's the same exact error. Ugh. Why does this happen to me? I mean, I can open up the web thing, but yeah, it's literally the same exact thing. Time to do some more intense research by looking up very vague stuff and hopefully finding the perfect Stack Overflow article. Because that's the way to life, you know? Why does Firebase module not resolve Expo? Ah, that's very bright. So let's look at this error to see if we can like. Oh look. So we're getting a similar error message, which is good. And this issue is from March 2022, and it is currently 2025. So that's not the greatest. And this is the solution they did. And we're gonna copy and paste it, put it into metro.config, and hope for the best. Quite glad that we're not that far into the stream, because I'm pretty. Oh god, this is not good. We have like multiple of these things that are called the exact same thing from different modules. So this code is outdated. We're gonna have to hope it still works. And I believe I had to convert this metro config for my tailwinds. So I think this is the only new thing of everything. Guys, typing is hard. I'm not sure what you're talking about. And I guess we're gonna have to do the same exact thing with our clearing the cache, especially when we change like configuration files. You know, that's kind of a bad thing still about using something like Expo. It's like, it's supposed to be a magical write once, work everywhere. But currently I can't even get to it to write once and work somewhere. Which really sucks, because it's like just saying, oh, this is React, but I guess it's on steroids. But at the same time, it's also handicapped because you have not as big of a community and stuff for it to work with. But we're gonna hope that random stuff I found on the internet is correct. So we're looking at the bundling, and we're gonna have to cross our fingers. So far, so good. Except, I don't know. Oh. I'm having a warning. No errors so far. Like, we can maybe look into that. I'm probably gonna ignore it. Let's be honest. Oh, shoot. Okay. That did not work. I don't see anything different, and I'm not gonna look into it. I'm lazy. We're gonna have to do more research. So, hey, this person entered in May 2022. So sure, why not? I mean, it'll take probably 2 minutes to try it. And I guess while I'm like installing everything and getting this stuff to work, I can do more research, or also try the other cache clearing that like is showed. Except I'm honestly not sure. This also isn't using like the Expo install, which is giving me anxiety, because I thought like the whole point of Expo install was that you wouldn't have to run in issues of it not working with Expo, but we'll see. I know, this must be so boring. I'm not even doing any coding right now. We're just having to download, deinstall modules, and hope for the best. But like, this itself, I'd say, is a skill, because 2 years ago, I don't think I would have been able to do this at all. Because like, I gained a lot more reliance on just online tutorials. But like, apparently there's 6 vulnerabilities. We're not gonna like look into that yet until it crashes. I mean, what? But yeah, like I was saying, like when you first start coding, there's always that like, oh, I'm right, Expo install. There's like always that excitement when you first start coding, like, cause you feel like you can do everything, but like slowly everything starts weighing down, because you realize, hey, I should stop doing stuff from scratch. And then once you stop doing stuff from scratch, you're running into this new issue known as learning how to use other people's code, learning how to use other people write code, and hoping for the best, because like, I swear code bases that I use are always changing, and it's like for different frameworks you use it in different ways. Like, there's no way I'm gonna actually learn completely how to use MongoDB, get a higher level understanding, just so I can use it for any framework. I'm just gonna look up a tutorial, I'm saying, which is funny because then you're back to square one on like relying on tutorials. Okay, we're gonna open the web version. Like, the first 2 bundles always work well. It's just like afterwards it just goes to hell. But like, you never know. It's not working. I can assure you, this is not working. Let me open it just to confirm. Okay, maybe I need to read this error message more thoroughly. Maybe it's giving me more than I think. Like, why does Firebase not have an index? And why, like, should I literally look into no modules? Maybe I shouldn't be using Firebase. Maybe I should be using like @Firebase or something stupid. Cause that's something that like would not surprise me, that would just be shooting me in the foot. It's like, where is this? Firebase / index is what it's looking for, but like Firebase is all these like subsets. So like maybe like you just don't directly call Firebase in this way. And like I'm just stupid. But like where else do I find this from? Like how about I'm gonna do like the default suggestion. Sign in with pop up. And it's telling me to Firebase / Auth. Please, please, please work. I don't know, it hasn't even been that long. I just want something to go well. Let's see what's happening in Expo land. It's bundling. Yeah, I'm gonna have like, I don't want to lose my patience anytime soon. I want to get through this. But dang, this is gonna start getting annoying once I lose my optimism. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's up. Let's log in. Okay, that was a test from earlier. Sign in with GitHub. Sure, I can do that. Ah. Oh my god, I actually did log in. I did it! But now to try with web. So it turns out all those stupid complications were for nothing, because I just like was like calling Firebase as a Firebase / Auth, which is ridiculous. Like I should have just read it more thoroughly, like the error message. I just kind of assumed, like, because other people found the error and like did something else. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. No, I think I need to bundle the Android version, and we gotta hope for the best again. Like, hopefully it works for Android too, and the video's over. And like, even if the video ends, I'm sure I'm gonna have to go through this process again very soon. Like, maybe next weekend I'll have the time to just sit down and like talk to myself for a crazy amount of time, get through it. But yeah, it's bundling correctly. Okay, we're gonna click login. Oh my god! This is what I was afraid was gonna happen. This was literally the original error I had like a month ago. That was replaced by this other error. And now I got the error back again. And like, you saw that like alert box when like told it to like say the type of sign with pop-up. And like on the web version it said, oh, it's a function, everything works. In this case it's undefined. Okay, it's time to do research. So we're just gonna look up Firebase sign in with pop up and look at the documentation or something. I don't know. It seems pretty smart of me to do something like that though. This is very different. Okay, so we're gonna have to like do some digging to figuring out what's happening. So we exported our auth And where do we get signed in with pop-up from? We got it from Firebase/Auth. And that so far has worked. So, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do even more digging. We're gonna do something like import star as auth from, you guessed it, Firebase/Auth. And now we're gonna just like map through each of its properties. I think you can do something like that. Like, I don't know. Can you do something like that? I don't remember how to do this. I'm gonna do it at work because I don't know how to check logs for freaking Android. Undefined. Wait, so how do I reload? Yeah, my other logs are like kindly reminding me that, yeah, your code doesn't work, little bro. How do I reload? That's all I want to do. It's like, oh, now we're getting messages on our properties. It seems a little late. Like, we're getting a lot of stuff. And like, okay, we're gonna have to like just console log this and see if this works. And you see, we're getting stuff like other functions like confirm password reset. So why do we not get and sign in with pop-up? Maybe it's like, I don't know, just messing with me. So we're just gonna do console.log auth. Let's do this. Oh my god, where did it go? Also, like, my emulator kind of died. I'm not sure how that happened. I mean, I'm recording this so we have instant replay. Not very instant because I'm not looking at this. I refuse to look at this because when I go back, I'm gonna probably realize I made a bajillion stupid mistakes and it's gonna really make me hate myself. And like, yeah, this is so outdated and it is bugging. This like crazy. Yeah, that was not a good idea. Like, oh look, we had something like sign in with email and password as a function. So why is sign in with pop-up not a function? Okay, we're gonna instead of avoiding, we're gonna with type of auth dot sign in with function. I mean, with pop-up. Now I do not see any difference. And we're also going to do auth dot sign in. I see zero difference between this version and the other version. But like, Expo seems to really be messing with me. So we're going to just try some stuff out. Yeah, I don't know. This is annoying and I just want it to be done. Also, apparently JavaScript logs will be removed from Metro React Native 0.77. I don't know what that means, but pretty cool. Okay, we got this up. We're gonna click login. And yeah, that didn't work. Auth sign in with function pop up. Let's look up sign in with email. Because that's, I swear I saw that. I swear. So. Function. So why is sign in with pop-up a function working on web, but not a function at all working on Android? What is the difference? I don't get it. I want this to end already. How about we just like, I don't know, look up Android on this. So let's say we have sign with a pre-built UI, maybe. Let's look into that. Da, 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 da. Nope, that is Kotlin and Java. I do not want to use Kotlin nor Java. I will not use Kotlin nor Java. Okay. I'm gonna come down and we're just gonna look up Firebase sign in with pop-up for Android. And we're gonna go through this random YouTube video. Or we can look into this, which is probably the same exact article I got. Yeah, it is the same. React Native. So, Hero Dev, you have the chance to be a hero of this video. Isn't that pretty cool?
Did you know that Amazon has a $50 million fund that they have to pay out every month? And here's how you...
Today we're gonna learn how to make social login using Google. How to log in using our Google account. So let's open Google and search with React account.
One thing I notice is we already have our sign with email and password, and this is an Android app. Stuff we're familiar with. Okay.
So let's open Google and search with React Native Firebase. And let's open that link. Let's go down in authentication, social authentication. Let's go down. We have here Apple, Facebook.
Okay, what voodoo magic
let's go down
is this person using?
Native Firebase. And let's open that link. Let's go down in authentication, social authentication. Let's go down. We have here Apple, Facebook,
okay, we're gonna
Twitter, and finally Google. First, we're going to use that library, so let's install it. Let's go down.
Okay,
I will install it using R.
So I want GitHub. Like, I'm not gonna. Hopefully, it'll be like exact
and here in our terminal,
thing,
let's add yarn, add.
I just want to see the person's solution.
That's our first step. Our second step is to initialize a Firebase app in our Android app, and I have that before in the video. I will left you in the description, and you can press at the top of the video to go and check it. The third step, we need to enable Google sign-in provider in our Firebase console. So let's open Firebase console. Let's open our project.
Yeah, it looks like I already set all this up in my own Firebase. I'm not sure what's different about what this React Native Firebase is. We're gonna look it up right now. But hopefully, it's like magic. Okay. Social. Bull. Where's my GitHub auth? I swear, the nerds making this better have made a GitHub auth. Like, there's no reason there's no GitHub auth. There's no way. Aaron, we're gonna look this up. GitHub. Okay. Or no, we can look at this list of methods. Oh no. It's not like a list of like providers, it's just literally a list of methods. Oh god. No, that is not a GitHub provider. That's literally the GitHub of. Yeah, we may have reached a dead end already. Sure, what the hell? Oh my god, it's the same article. Like, ugh, this is driving me crazy. Is it time to pull up ChatGPT? No, I doubt it. I really don't want to go down that path, but might have to. Okay, I guess time to learn how to use the developer log so I can look at the different functions for Android. Or we're just gonna say console log auth for now and see what happens. Let's pull this up again. Isn't that such a cool background, by the way? Login. Oh my god. How am I supposed to read this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, we have a bunch of sign-ins with we can try to read through. Sign in, link to email. Sign in, send email, sign in with credential. Sign with custom token. Sign with custom token. Sign with email password. Link. Sign with email. Link. Sign with phone number. Phone number. Sign out. Yeah, I cannot see an equivalent for using a provider. I might have to like use some other library, which really sucks. I'm gonna look this up again. Sign in with GitHub, React, Native, Firebase. Or I can like just use something completely different from Firebase, but that wasn't the goal. The goal was to stay within my existing code. So let's see. Anything different? Code with Beto, however you want to say that. Okay, it has a nifty 90-minute.
Go from homemade
90-minute video.
to how.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Beto. In
Oh,
this
it's all
video, we are
ads
going to
right
learn
there.
how to integrate sign-in with GitHub into your React Native application. And here I have a demo
I just want to look
for
at
the
this
authentication. And the way we do that, because we are using Expo router,
iOS.
if you need, I'm just defining the type of each of these properties. They are, in this case, it's going to be the tabs. Then we can set this
Yeah,
as
this
navigated
is
equal to true.
confusing. I
So
have no idea what he's doing. I mean, making tabs, but
No,
why is it
it's going
taking
to
so
be
long for?
provider data, I think.
Oh my god,
Position
no, this
0,
is too
email.
complicated.
Right?
Stop. Prompt async. Okay, what's that? That's cool. Mm. I don't know. I'm not following. This is so complicated. Why can't it just be simple? Oh, we're getting something similar. I created a project in Firebase with consists of 3 apps: Web, iOS, and Expo, and Android. I added GitHub as a provider in Firebase Auth, and also added a new OAuth app in GitHub. Things I've done are got it to work with web, so we're similar, except this one uses Next.js. But I added GitHub. Okay, however, when adding a new OAuth app in GitHub, I had to do an authorization callback. Oh. Yeah, that is way different. For me, I did not worry about that. Oh my god, oh my god. There's no answer either way, it doesn't matter. Nothing matters. Like, I don't think the answer to my question is simply it's impossible. But oh god, it really does feel that way right now. We're gonna just look up Expo, Firebase, authentication, and find one video where we see it happen. That's not sign in with email password. You know how stupid that is? Because you can put in a fake email and a fake password, and it does not make a difference. What is the point of me doing that? This is Firebase and Google, okay? We're gonna use this.
On Miro, teams work faster on the new innovation workspace.
The world is on the brink of war. We need Captain America.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a new project in
We'll need to hear that.
Google, iOS and Android by selecting all. From there I'm introducing you then for your username and then your password, which I've obviously skipped over my password because I don't want people seeing it.
Looks like whoever this person is already figured out to get the sign in, so I should go backwards. I don't know, this looks like a lot of witchcraft
and download
to
that
me.
Google Services J.
Because I don't see a lot of coding.
I'm also going to add in some to specify that you want to enable Google so it opens. And when you click on the sign in button here,
Wait,
it
when
crashes
did you
and it
make the
says you
sign
must
in
be-
button though? Am I just like too impatient
files?
to find that part? Or am I kind of confused? Maybe she's just
and so
showing
when
me the result before we code
and
it, which is like
securely
a option. No, low key. That
credentials that
she
I'm
did
about
not
to
code
generate.
that yet. Okay. We're getting somewhere.
They'll just make it really easy.
So they're getting the button from React Native Google Sign In / Google Sign In. That's pretty fun to say, I'm just saying.
To sort of see what's going on. And I really like it. Obviously, you wouldn't just show the error on screen. It wouldn't be very useful.
So how about I look up React Native GitHub Sign In? I literally type GitHub Sign In, and the first thing is freaking Google Sign In. This is really, 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 really annoying. Like, I don't want to call it quits on the first time I'm doing this, but this really sucks. Like, all I know is, yeah, for some reason, it's different on Android. I don't know why it is. It might be, like, time to, like, clear the caches again or something, whatever. But sign in with pop-up just, like, might not work on whatever Android, but I swear the first tutorial I watched, they got this to work. So I believe. Okay, I don't remember what I did. I did something like React Native Expo GitHub log authentication, something like that. Oh my god, I cannot type. It's good enough. It was like a 30-minute video, so it was like, this is the React Native Expo authentication, and like actually type it. I think it was this guy. I'm skimming through. No, it wasn't. Oh no, it was definitely this guy. I remember.
Hold on before you pay for yet another.
What's up everyone, this is Matt from Made with Matt, and today we're back with another video where we're going to be building out an authentication flow. Once that's done, we'll say .then, we'll get the user. The next thing we'll want to do is create a function so that when we click sign out, it actually signs the user out. So let's go ahead and create that up here.
It might be at this point where I just think of like completely rewriting this, maybe doing something that like works with both web and iOS, because I cannot find an answer. And like maybe I just devote an entire different video of me trying to figure out how to do something like Magic Link or a Google login. But right now I feel like I am not able to adjust what I currently have. So like squashing the bug would literally be rewriting that part of my code, and it's like not really removing the bug. It's, oh god, I can't make an analogy with a literal physical insect, but it would be like, oh shoot, there is moth at my servers. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just throw away the servers, get new ones, but these ones, I'm just gonna like lock in an airtight room so a moth couldn't even get in there. But yeah, I think for my sanity, I have to call it a day. I'm so sorry to disappoint you guys. Don't worry, next weekend I'll try to get a video of me doing like Magic Link or whatever. It's getting something to work for both web and iOS, and maybe you'll see me happy. Bye.